Everyone was afraid of him. Sébastien Chabal. Chabal? Chabal. Sébastien Chabal is an aggressive freak of nature. Bro, what's going on? Play, nigga. Bro, I just dropped it. Listen, hear me out. You know what the crazy part is? I just dropped a reaction. You feel me? Make sure you go watch it. It's of like I don't know, it was some rugby video about some tackles, crazy tackles. This nigga was in the video, and I specifically say this nigga looks like a wrestler, bro. He chose the wrong sport. It's the same nigga. That's crazy, bro. Look at it. Nigga got a red eye. God damn. He just looks angry, bro. Bro, he's just proving my point, bro. Do you see these tackles, bro? This shit look like straight spears, bro. God damn. Hold on. Bro, this beat is knocking, bro. Chabal! 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 God damn, bro. That nigga is running through human beings, bro, like it ain't nothing, bro. Yo. Nah. Nah. Nah, this nigga is serious. He is serious. Chabal! 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 That Chabal got it, bro. How you get tackled and keep running, bro? That nigga is absorbing power. He's absorbing the shockwaves. Nah. That is criminal, bro. That right there is criminal, bro. Look at this shit, bro. That's criminal. My nigga, this is wrestling, bro. I swear to God, this is wrestling, bro. And he fast too. Oh, he had short hair here. Man, oh man. Ain't no way. Bro, ain't no way. Look at this shit, bro. This nigga punched him, bro. And he tried to... Nigga kept running like he ain't do shit, bro. I saw your ass, nigga. Bro, imagine you're running with the ball thinking you made it out. And you turn around and you see this nigga approaching you from the side. Brody, I will pass out, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. I pass out, bro. This is a scary looking nigga, bro. Where is this nigga from, bro? Sébastien Chabal. Yo, let me know where he's from, bro. But that's crazy, bro. Damn, y'all let me know any more rugby players you want me to react to. You feel me? Make sure you subscribe too. Get me to 1,000 subs, man, and like the video. I'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace out.